So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it, and now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and now you want to find your NVIDIA graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list. You want to install your NVIDIA graphics card driver, and then click on next. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start installing. And then once that's been installed, see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once we're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find NVIDIA App. Here it is. Now once you find this, you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And then you want to uninstall the NVIDIA App application. And then once that's been uninstalled, there's going to be a link down below in the description to re-download the NVIDIA app, and this should now fix your problem.